guys, welcome back to another clean with me video. It's been a while since I've done a clean with me video, and mainly because it's been so nice out and I haven't really wanted to take a whole day out to clean, so I've just kind of been cleaning here or there. Even in today's video, it's not completely trashed house, but it does need a little bit of attention. So normally I start off with the kitchen, but I did clean the room and the bathroom a couple days ago, so it doesn't need a lot of love, just a little pick-me-up. So I'm starting off with the bedroom, just making the bed first. I do this little trick. It's not really a trick, I'm sure a lot of people do it, but I spritz the bed sheets with water to try to get the wrinkles out. I think I've also seen that if you mix in fabric softener, it'll help. I haven't tried that. I don't have any fabric softener, but if you have tried that and if it's worth it to get fabric softener for this, let me know. But I find water does the trick. I just try to do it earlier, so later when we get into bed it's not wet, but I haven't had an issue with it yet. And while I'm playing with these pillows, well, first of all, I'm going to address that one pillow that I just tossed. It didn't have a pillow cover on it. It's in the wash. I'm not sure how that happened, how one of them, I don't know. But I was trying to make it work with that one. I ended up just tossing it to the side, and I will put the pillowcase on later. But anyways, what I'm trying to get at is I have throw pillows around my house, and they're all so limp and so sad. So I need some affordable, fluffy, nice, standard 20 by 20 pillow insert. So if you have any recommendations, I'd love to hear it. You'll see in the living room too, all of our pillows are just so hard to work with. They're not comfortable. They're supposed to be a decoration, and they just don't look that great. So I'm open to suggestions.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
A little different about this bathroom.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? It's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Really good. And
Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
I'm gonna mix. There's also some chrome.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
I said you saw. But
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna
I do have
lose
some
ya.
other girls in the bathroom too, but
Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah.
I'm sure some
Yeah. There's a remedy, remedy.
I'm never gonna be downstairs. But
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza.
the endless living room clean up. I feel like I'm constantly cleaning this up, but that's okay. A dirty living room or play area means the kids were playing, so I try to only clean it when Porter naps or when he goes down for bed. Like, I want it to be clean for when he comes back down to play, so he has a fresh start to the play journey. I don't know, I'm kind of rambling, but I do like to keep it clean those times. Other than that, I just try my best to live with the mess because I don't want to be interfering with his playing. I don't want to be putting things away while he's trying to play with it, even though I so want to. It takes a lot for me to just leave it. It's okay, I'll clean it up when he goes to bed or goes down for a nap, you know? But yeah, it is really hard. And now I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum. I didn't have a carpet in the apartments I used to live in, so this is the first house I've lived in with a carpet, and it is so satisfying to vacuum a carpet, especially like with Essential Vac that has super strong suction. I love hearing like all the gross things on the ground get sucked up into the tube. It's like extremely satisfying. I know that the carpet's getting a nice deep clean, but in saying that, I have not like hoovered the carpet ever. Like, since we moved in, it's probably in need of a good cleaning. I have the little green machine that I've done spot cleans on, but I should really get a like hoover and deep clean that carpet because I'm sure it needs it.
You and I can weather any storm.
And while I have the cushions off, I'm just gonna go in with this de-pillar machine thing and get off all the little pills. If you have a couch that pills, I highly recommend getting one of these. They're not that expensive. I do it maybe once a month, and it just makes the couch look brand new.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So the dishes is a task that never really ends. I try to stay on top of it, and how I manage is I unload it in the morning, I load it throughout the day so the sink stays empty, and then I run the dishwasher at night. Sometimes I'll have to run it twice a day. Sometimes I can get away with not running it until the next night, but it's normally every night, and it's really helped me stay on top of the dishes and having like a clean sink area. I also have a 15-month-old who really loves the dishwasher right now, and he's old enough now to start passing me things, so we'll unload it in the morning together, and it does take a little bit longer, but it keeps him busy, him happy, and I also don't have to like bend over for things, so it's kind of like a win-win-win. So if you have a little helper who is old enough to pass you things in the dishwasher, it's a fun little activity you guys can do together, and it really takes no effort. So Yeah, there's my little mom hack of the day. Have your kids unload your dishwasher for you. You're welcome. Follow me for more tips.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I once said that cleaning the sink was my favorite task, but I definitely think this is now. I just sprayed it with some Dawn Power Wash. I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I just scrubbed it with one of these sponges, and everything just came off so effortlessly. But I just like love these little designs. It's so satisfying. But let me know what your favorite thing to clean is. Mine is now this. And we're gonna finish off this video just by cleaning off this high chair really quick. I normally do the dining table too, but you'll see it in a second. It has bottles on top of it that I need to find a place where we want a liquor basket, and we have yet to find a place for all these bottles. So right now they live on our dining room table, and that was a disaster, so I just kind of left it, and I'll get back to it someday. We eat in the corner anyways, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you for sticking around. If you could support my channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, it would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.